It's draw time! We're drawing a Christmas sock full of candies. Grab your snacks, sit back, relax, and enjoy the magic happening. Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. I'm so happy you're here today because we have something extra fun, extra sweet, and extra Christmassy to look at together. Just take a peek at this adorable Christmas sock bursting with candies. It looks like it couldn't wait for Christmas morning, so all the treats decided to pop right out to say hello. Look at that big lollipop on top. Doesn't it look like it's thinking, "Spin me! Spin me! I'm the most colourful candy in the whole North Pole." Hey friends, I have a cute question for you. If this Christmas sock could talk, what do you think it would say? I think it would say, "Help! I'm too full of sweetness. I might pop." We finished the drawing part. It's adorable. It's like the candies are waiting for their colours. Here we go, friends. We're tracing the lines to make them thicker and stronger. It's like our drawing is saying, "Thank you. I feel so fancy now." Almost ready for the rainbow colours. Wow, friends, look at that. The colours are popping in like little Christmas firecrackers. I love it. It's colouring time. Let's fill our cute candy sock with the happiest colours ever. Colour red. Let's start with a bright red, just like a sweet strawberry. As we colour this part in, imagine the candy tasting like a juicy strawberry dipped in Christmas magic. Colour orange. Now we're adding orange, and I'm pretending it tastes like a creamy orange popsicle.
Wow!
As the colour fills in, imagine a sweet frosty orange treat you might find in Santa's snack stash. Colour yellow. Here comes yellow. This part is lemon flavoured in my imagination. Sweet and a tiny bit tangy, like a Christmas lemon candy.
Wow!
Colour green. Time for green, the colour of a fresh green apple. Imagine this piece tasting like a crunchy apple turned into a sugary Christmas treat. Colour blue. Now we're colouring with blue, and this one tastes like blueberry candy. Picture a chilly blueberry treat you'd find in a Christmas stocking. Here comes dark blue. I'm imagining this one tasting like fizzy grape soda. Doesn't that sound fun? As we colour it in, think of the night sky on Christmas Eve. Deep, cosy, and full of wonder. Colour pink. Now it's time for pink, the cotton candy flavour.
Wow!
Imagine soft, fluffy cotton candy floating around like snowy sugar clouds. As we colour this part, picture the sweet smell of a holiday fair. Colour purple. And finally, purple. This one tastes like a sweet grape treat.
Wow!
As we fill in this last piece, imagine unwrapping a grape candy from your stocking on Christmas morning. Purple always feels magical, like something the sugar plum fairy would share. Time to colour the 4 candy balls. These little treats look like tiny Christmas ornaments hiding inside the sock. Each one wants its own special colour, like they're saying, "Make me sparkle like Christmas magic." Every part we colour makes this Christmas sock look happier and happier, like it's getting ready for Santa. Did you know Christmas lights were once real candles?
Wow!
Good thing we use safe ones now. Here's our candy with the wrapper.
Wow!
Let's make it shiny and festive. The wrapper looks like it's rustling in the Christmas breeze, whispering, "I'm a sweet surprise from the North Pole."
Wow!
This candy looks so excited to get colored. It's practically doing a tiny Christmas wiggle.
Wow!
If it wiggles anymore, it might roll right into Santa's cookie plate. Let's color this cute little heart with yellow. Taste of mango flavor. This Christmas sock is so stuffed with goodies, it looks like it ate too many holiday treats. And now it's going, ho ho ho, I'm so full. If this Christmas sock could walk, where would it go? I think it would wobble straight to the fireplace and say, "Santa,
Wow!
I'm ready for treats." Did you know some people hang Christmas socks or stockings so Santa can fill them with surprises, just like ours, full of candies? We're adding so much color. It looks like Christmas magic is spilling out of the drawing.
Wow!
Now let's color the Christmas lights on the sock. Each one is glowing like mini Christmas bulbs. It's like the lights are turning on for a tiny Christmas celebration right on the sock. Are you having fun with our Christmas sock full of candies, drawing my little friends? My marker is working so hard coloring this sock. It might need a tiny elf break with some hot cocoa. Ha ha ha! This Christmas sock is so cozy looking.
Wow!
Even Frosty the Snowman would want to wear it on his frosty little snow foot. It's time for coloring the sock with color red. This is perfect color for Christmas sock. Do you think Santa would like this sock? Oh yes, he'd probably laugh and say, "Ho ho ho ho! That's the cutest candy sock I've ever seen." I love watching colors spread. It's like watching tiny Christmas lights switch on. As we color this sock, it's starting to look warm enough to keep Santa's toes cozy. You're doing great watching, friends. Coloring time is always the happiest time. Now it's time to color our Christmas rainbow candy cane. These candy canes look like they're whispering secrets. Probably about how many cookies Santa ate last night. Ha ha ha.
Wow!
This rainbow candy is so colorful, even the Christmas lights are jealous. I think they're saying, "Hey, let us shine too." This candy cane is trying its best to look straight, but I think it secretly wants to bend into a little candy rainbow. Wah-ha-ha! We finished our Christmas sock drawing, friends. Our Christmas sock full of candies looks so adorable. I loved spending Christmas drawing time with you. If you want more happy videos just like this, don't forget to subscribe so you can come back anytime. Thank you, little buddies. Have the sweetest Christmas ever, and I'll see you in the next video.